Le-Vel.com and the Thrive 3 Simple Steps, it changes your life on so many aspects. And when you get the 3 steps into your body and you start to feel so amazing, you are not gonna be able to keep that a secret. You're gonna wanna shout that from the highest mountain around you and tell everybody you know that you need to experience this for yourself. And once you start sharing that with people and you can thrive for free with the Refer To program, why not become a promoter and actually get rewarded for that? The second rank of a company, you can get rewarded with the auto bonus plan, and you can drive the car of your dreams just for sharing how great you feel. It's been so amazing for our family. We've taken family vacations that we never dreamed of. I never, ever in a million years thought I would have a passport. And now this is, I believe, our 9th getaway. It's just so amazing. And it's all thanks to Le-Vel.